Importing a Word document. Documents can be imported directly from Microsoft Word into iSpec, but before they can be imported, they need to be formatted correctly. Open the Word document, go through, and set the paragraph names that will be main headings after importing, as Heading 1, subheadings as Heading 2, Heading 3, etc., and save the document. Add a new document, enter a name, and select the document type. Select the Import Document for Online Editing option. Next, choose whether to keep the document formatting, or use the iSpec styles. Then decide whether to import each paragraph as a separate section, or if the system should create one section for all text that is between each heading name. Finally, select the document to import. After the document has been uploaded, check the user access, and if the vendor response requirements will be the same for all headings, they can be selected before importing. Click the Save button to create the document. Open the new document, and all the headings, subheadings, and content have been imported, and the vendor requirements have been set. As the document was imported, it does not need to be approved, unless further editing is required.